today we're studying vocabulary, and today the word that we are studying is all related to months, okay? So we're trying to see how you can study vocabulary in an easy way to make you remember everything. Hi everyone. Hi everyone joining. So yes, I'm here with my little cat. So if you hear purring, it's him. And purr is ronronear in Spanish. Okay, so I was saying that today we're going to study vocabulary. I have a challenge going on, January challenge, and we have done so many lives, so many videos, one each day, okay? And remember that if you want it, you can go to the link in my bio and download all the slides that we are doing each day, okay? You know, it's a little practice, quick and easy, only to get your daily dose of Spanish, okay? So I'm going to start sharing a screen and we can practice. Hola, hola, hola desde las afueras de San Francisco. Wow, hola. So happy to see you all here. Muchas gracias por estar aquí. So we're going to study today, as our plan is to study vocabulary. Okay, so I'm going to explain how you can study effectively vocabulary in a way that you will remember everything going on. Okay, so let's share a screen. Okay. So if you've been following me for a while and being in my lives, you know that I love to study with graphics. Okay, so what you remember, the best way to study vocabulary is to put the word you're going to study in the middle of a flashcard, for example, okay? And think about and brainstorm everything you can learn from that word. So in this case, okay, I want to explain months, meses. What can I explain with that? What can we learn? So you think, okay, names, the names of the months, okay, that's what we want to learn. Then what else is related to months? The seasons, okay? Okay, so we have to know how to say spring, summer, okay? Then which verbs can we use? You don't have to study like every single verb, but which verbs would you use with months, okay? And then you can make up sentences and practice. Okay, if you do this with every single word, you're not only learning one word, you're learning all that goes with that word like this, okay? So it's the best way. I believe in this way of studying vocabulary, and you get so much out of it. So it may feel like a lot, but it's not, okay? So let's start with months. So I'm sure most of you know the months in Spanish, but just in case, okay, because sometimes there's so many people that say, go slower, please turn to basics. So let's do it again. If we know it, we can practice it and get it, you know, better in our brain, okay? So let's start. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So there's few of them that are very similar, so it's easier to remember. Okay, seasons, okay, las estaciones. What do you have to know? Primavera, okay, that's a spring. La primavera, okay, spring. El verano, summer. El otoño, autumn. El invierno, winter, okay? Okay, what else can we study? Verbs. Which verbs can we use with months? Think about it. We have estar. Someone can say, ¿en qué mes estamos? Okay, what month we are in, okay? Estar. And you can answer, estamos en enero, okay? We are in January. Ser, to be. Also remember that you can say, es verano, es invierno, okay? Referring to the season. You like a lot winter? That's great. I prefer spring. Prefiero la primavera. Thank you so much. I'm seeing all your comments and all your hearts. Okay, next one. Hacer. Okay, hacer. Hace frío. It's cold. Hace calor. It's hot. Okay? So if you study only three verbs related to the word we are studying, and remember it's months, you get, use of it, you know how to use it later, okay? So it's not about the quantity, okay, the quality of what you learn, okay? So now that we know all of that, we can practice, okay? So remember, we have started with this, months, and we have seen not only the names of the months, but what else can we study? The seasons, las estaciones, and some verbs that we can use with this word, okay? With meses, okay? So let's practice a little together. Okay, so you know what we always do in every single live? You write down your answers, okay? And I will correct you. And it doesn't matter if you make a mistake because we're here to learn. Okay, so hoy la temperatura es de menos 12 grados centígrados, okay? So, frío. What would you say here? Because we have studied, okay? Verbs that go with months and temperature, so. Muy bien, perfect. Perfecto. Hace frío, it's cold, okay? Next one. El cumpleaños de María es en March. How do we say March in Spanish? El cumpleaños de María es en... Remember, we have studied the names of the months, okay? So, enero, febrero, marzo, perfect. Es en marzo, muy bien, muy bien. Okay, next one. En enero, nosotros, and you have to say that we are, okay? So, muy bien, everyone. Okay, so, en enero, we are in January. So, what verb would you use here? Muy bien, perfect. That's the one we have to use, okay? Perfect. Estamos en enero, okay? Perfect. Muy bien, perfect, everyone. Okay, next one. ¿Cuándo tu cumpleaños? So, when is your birthday? That's a great question to know how to ask, right? So, ¿cuándo tu cumpleaños? What would you say there? ¿Cuándo tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo fue tu cumpleaños? We could use fue perfectly, yes. And we can say es, depending if we want to say, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Like, when is your birthday? Or when was your birthday? ¿Cuándo fue tu cumpleaños? Perfect. Muy bien. Perfecto. So it has to be ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Okay, because tu cumpleaños is third person. Perfect. Okay, mi cumpleaños es en... And then you have to say in which month is your birthday. So I would say mi cumpleaños es en abril. Okay? So there you would put your month. So if you want to write down below your month, mi cumpleaños es en el verano. We can say that too. Perfect. I can say mi cumpleaños es en primavera. En junio. Perfecto. So we can say two things. Perfect. We can say the season, okay, and the month. Mi cumpleaños es en verano. Mi cumpleaños es en junio. Perfect, for example. Okay. And the last one, okay, en verano. So sorry, I'm not seeing there. En verano, it's hot. How can you say it's hot? We studied the verb too. We are ending as we began this, okay, this practice. So, en verano, it's hot. What would you say? En verano? Muy bien, en octubre, I'm seeing. Muy bien. So, hace. En verano hace calor. Muy bien. Perfecto. Hace calor. We have to say calor, okay? Caliente is the adjective. Perfecto. Muy bien, everyone. Perfect. So that's it, okay? We have practice. Remember how to study vocabulary. Remember, you brainstorm what you want to learn. You want to learn a month, in this case, meses. And what goes with meses? It goes the names, it goes the seasons. Which verbs can we use to talk about the months, okay? You know that we have ser, estar, okay? So you brainstorm that. Then you put it all together. You put the months, okay? Okay, you write them down. Then you write the seasons, okay? We saw that it's la primavera, el verano, el otoño, el invierno, okay? And then we also brainstorm which verbs can go with the word we are studying. Remember, in this case, we are studying months, okay? So, estamos en verano, estamos en invierno, okay? Es verano, you can also say es verano, okay? Es invierno, and hacer, hace frío, hace calor, okay? Perfect, everyone. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, we are following our challenge, okay? And you can download all the slides if you go to the link in my bio. Thank you so much for all the hearts. And I'm so happy to be with you here every day. I hope you enjoy my lives. Remember, I do them at 9 my time, Central European time, every single day, okay? And if you want to download this and all the slides, go to the link in my bio. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that always are here with me, and see you tomorrow. Muchas gracias, un beso muy grande. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós a todos. Gracias por los corazones. Adiós.